3 years ago, the tech world came to a stop. Google, the invulnerable giant, was in total panic as ChatGPT had just arrived. Sundar Pichai issued a code red. It looked like the search monopoly was coming to an end. This week, the script did not only flip, it burned. On 1st December, Altman issued a code red. Leaked memos revealed total panic inside San Francisco's largest startup. The directive: stop everything. The reason? Something is eating at their lunch. It's called Gemini 3, and while we were debating AGI, Google integrated this model into almost everything. Then there is Nano Banana, the viral image tool that did not just grab the headlines, it grabbed the casual user base. Sam Altman's memo was brutal. It ordered a freeze on all the fun stuff. That personal assistant you were promised, the one called Pulse, delayed. Shopping agents, shelved. The company is scrambling just to fix the basic stuff. Reliability and speed. Here's the first bombshell. OpenAI isn't expanding anymore. They are contracting. For the first time, the pioneer of the AI revolution is playing defense, cutting features to survive a war they are suddenly losing. But this isn't about software. If you dig deeper, you'll find the real reason the bubble is wobbling. It's hardware. For many years, the AI bubble was built on one belief, that NVIDIA is king. If you wanted to play, you played the Jensen tax. But this week, that belief shattered. Reports are circulating that Meta, yes, Zuckerberg's Meta, is in talks to buy billions of dollars worth of Google's TPU chips. They are bypassing NVIDIA. Think about the implications. Google owns the data centers, the model, and the chips. OpenAI, they're renting their house from Microsoft and buying their furniture from NVIDIA, and the rent is due. Inside OpenAI, the counterattack is codenamed Garlic. It's their secret model designed to kill Gemini 3. Sources say Mark Chen, OpenAI's chief research officer, is running daily sprint calls, literally day-to-day survival meetings. They're trying to make Garlic smaller, faster, and cheaper. Which brings us to the next bombshell. The technical moat is gone. We've hit the plateau, where the only way to win isn't by being smarter, but cheaper. And in a price war, the company with 100 billion in cash and its own factories, Google, always wins. So, is the bubble bursting? To answer that, you have to follow the money. And right now, the money is on fire. A stand report from HSBC dropped this week. They analyzed the current burn rate of the AI infrastructure war, and the numbers aren't just bad, they are catastrophic. HSBC projects that by 2030, OpenAI could have suffered losses of 500 billion. Not revenue, losses. Why? Because of a little secret hidden in the user data. OpenAI claims 800 million weekly users. Impressive, right? But ask yourself, how many of those are paying? Estimates suggest that only 5% of users are paying subscribers. The other 95% are a cost, a massive energy-sucking cost. Every time a user asks ChatGPT to write a poem, OpenAI loses money. And that's the final bombshell. The business model might be broken. We aren't looking at the next internet. We might be looking at the next WeWork, a revolutionary company with a product that simply costs more to provide than the people are willing to pay for. Sam Altman's code red isn't just a memo, it's a warning flare. The hype phase is over and the profitability phase has begun, and the math isn't looking good. If you're investing in AI, watch Garlic. If that model fails to beat Gemini, the bubble doesn't just leak, it pops. If you want to know which stocks are safe from the blast radius, then hit the subscribe button. Next week, we follow the money.